Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so the process won't fail. Make sure battery is above 20% and you have storage free. Once ready, decide whether you'll use a built-in wallpaper, a third-party app, or your own video/photo. Then open Settings, tap Wallpaper or Display. That's where change is live. You're initiating the setup. This first step ensures permissions and resource availability, so the system won't stop halfway. Now proceed to pick the source and grant any requested permissions. Once in the wallpaper chooser, select the media type: live photo for iOS, GIF/MP4 for Android, or an animated pack from an app. Then make adjustments. Crop to aspect ratio, set loop or duration, and tweak motion strength so it's subtle, not distracting. For phones that support parallax or depth, toggle that on if you want movement when tilting. Make sure to pick whether it applies to lock screen, home screen, or both, because that determines battery and performance impact. You finish by tapping Apply or Set, confirm which screens to change, and then test. Lock the phone, unlock it, and observe the motion and any battery changes. If the animation stutters, make sure background apps are limited and power saving is off. If nothing happens, clear the app cache, restart the phone, or reinstall the wallpaper app. Alternatively, set a static image to confirm the file isn't corrupted. One key tip: if animations drain battery, reduce frame rate or use a shorter clip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.